This is Black Market Media with a Black Market briefing. Stocks are up and they are stuck. Breaking news, the antibody treatment works on OMICRON. The Dow is up, S&P, and the NASDAQ. So are we gonna see our Santa Claus rally? We don't know, but it does look like it. So if you've seen those support levels I called out last week on the NASDAQ, if you got in there, you're looking pretty good right now. I called out support levels also on the SPY. If you got in there, you're looking good right now. I guess that's all the market needed to hear to try to push back up to all-time highs. Yes, I did buy the dip. I do practice what I preach, and things are looking good for me right now. The only thing I'm upset about is selling Alibaba. I did buy Alibaba. It hit my stop loss. I respected it, so I got out of there, but I shouldn't have. I should have held on to it. All right, now let me give you guys a little bit of advice here. On Friday, we have the CPI numbers. If they are worse than expected, you might see another cut in the market. We might be headed back down. But if you like to swing trade from time to time, you want to get out when the market is overbought and you want to buy when it's oversold, you might want to pay attention to these headlines. Watch out for Friday. If you were down big last week and you want to get out of some positions, do it before Friday. You might want to do it Thursday or even tomorrow, because some people are going to try to front run you and get out before you do. The reason for that is because midterm election years are bad for stocks. Normally stocks go down during those times. Also, a lot of institutional investors and hedge funds, they sell at the end of the year so they could do what's called tax loss harvesting. So you're going to see a lot of selling pressure at the end of the year. Okay. We got slowing down growth coming into 2022 because the Fed is deciding to taper because inflation is getting a little out of control. So what they're going to do is they're going to raise rates so people can stop spending money. When they raise rates, home prices or mortgage prices go up, car monthly payments go up, and pretty much anything you want to finance goes up. So most people don't want to spend money when money is too expensive to borrow. So we're going to be watching out for that next year. So just to recap, if you were down big and you were hurting last week and you want to get out your positions, today, tomorrow would be a good time to do it. We might go back up to all-time highs. I'm not saying it's impossible, but if we do go back up to all-time highs, there's a good possibility we're going to come back down to these week's lows, if not lower. So just watch out for that. I'm glad you're seeing some green right now. I am too, but we can't get greedy going into next year because things aren't going to look like they looked in 2020 or in 2021. But if you buy and hold, you got nothing to worry about. Other than that, get your money. This is Black Market Media, signing off.